So stock parts are fun, but modding your car is a huge part of the hobby. One of my favorite mods is one that makes your car look better and perform better. Do you have any idea what I'm talking about? No? Let me enlighten you. Today we're going to be looking at the Morimoto XB LED headlights. Let's face it, stock headlights, they look great, and the tri-bar design, always going to be a classic. But to some people that want a little bit of a different look, it's outdated. That's what I love about the Morimoto headlights. They incorporate a bunch of features that tend to update the front fascia. First of all, we have a completely, entirely black housing. No chrome to reflect off of. Second of all, we have a beautiful LED DRL light that wraps around almost the entire headlight. And last, we have an effective but clean light output bulb, which together with everything else, really cleans up this housing and gives it a modern look. The best part about these, and I mean the best part, is that they are entirely plug and play. No splicing wires, no having to put in fuses, nothing. The only thing that I don't like about this is that you have to take off the bumper. No big deal, installation should only take a couple of hours and it's not hard. Be on the lookout for an instructional video coming out soon where we install these on one of our employees' cars. I'm Pobs, and this has been a 2-Minute Tuesday on the Morimoto headlights.
Can I get a, oh yeah?
Satisfying. Behold.
Gosh, if I could just get it the first time, that'd be great.